Welcome to Ocomonics, your navigator in the ever-evolving landscape of enterprise solutions. My name is Ahmed. I'm a senior chatbot developer here at Ocomonics, and today I'm proud to announce an exciting advancement in our service offerings, the seamless integration of Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, into the Oracle Digital Assistant. We've all heard of the remarkable capabilities of generative AI, and we have witnessed its power firsthand in products such as ChatGPT and Bard. Yet when it comes to applying this technology to the latest non-public information, there are inherent limitations. What is RAG? In essence, it's a way to enhance the accuracy of large language models. These models typically draw from data available up to mid-2023. Beyond that cutoff, they lack updates and can inadvertently generate incorrect information when prompted. More critically, without access to a specific database, they can't provide insights into internal company matters. RAG addresses these gaps by connecting the model to a current database during the query process. This connection allows the AI to deliver responses that are both accurate and relevant to the present moment, including proprietary or internal information specific to your company. By harnessing the power of RAG, we are transforming the Oracle Digital Assistant into an even more powerful tool. We are providing your enterprise with an assistant that understands the context, draws from unique knowledge base, and delivers precise, relevant answers. Let's do a quick test where we ask the same question to 3 of our digital assistants, starting with our basic digital assistant that has not been programmed to support answering questions about absence policy. As you can see, the bot simply tells us that it cannot answer our question because it has not been trained to do so. Next, we will ask our generative AI enhanced bot. Still, no RAG in place, but this bot has access to an LLM in the background. As we can see, we got a very vague answer. The bot should be aware that I am an Ocomonics employee, and it should answer me accordingly. And this is where RAG comes in. So let's try with our final bot, which is RAG enhanced. Notice how the bot now knows that I am an Ocomonics employee and gives me a straight-to-the-point answer. Besides that, it does also provide us with the sources it used to formulate this answer. If I click here, I will be directed to a page where the original document is provided and the relevant parts used in the answer are highlighted. Now, let's ask another question. I really like this company's laptop. Would I be able to keep it? The bot says no, all equipment purchased by the company remains the property of the company. That's a bit unfortunate, but anyways, we can check out how we got this answer by looking at the sources. And voila, the bot used this part of the document to come up with the answer. Alright, now that we saw RAG in action, let's dive a bit deeper and see how it actually works. Our journey begins at the Oracle Digital Assistant, where your question sets the entire process in motion. This question is directed to a crucial component called the document retriever. Picture this as a highly efficient librarian adept at navigating through a knowledge base teeming with your company's specific data. But before the document retriever can perform its duties, we must first prepare the data and store it efficiently for it to be able to retrieve it quickly. This preparation involves organizing our knowledge into what's known as a vector store. We start with the vast array of documents that comprise your organization's knowledge base. Each document is carefully broken down into paragraph-sized sections of text, often referred to as chunks. These manageable sections are crucial as they allow us to focus on the specific details and context within your data. This is the chunking process. Once we have these sections, we move on to what's known as the embedding or the encoding process. This isn't just about translating words into numbers, it's about capturing the rich semantic meaning, the context, the nuances, and the intent behind the text. Through this, we create what are called vectors. These vectors are then organized within a vector store. Think of it as a highly sophisticated library catalog, where every book is understood beyond its title and every paragraph is indexed for rapid retrieval. This vector store or database becomes the backbone of our system, enabling it to browse through the large amount of your documents and return results that are both relevant and contextually aware with remarkable speed. When your query is input into the document retriever, it's subjected to the encoding process, transforming your question into a vector. This crucial step allows us to perform semantic search within the vector store, aiming to find document sections that align closely with the meaning or topic of your question. This semantic search is designed with optimization for speed, ensuring that relevant paragraphs are retrieved swiftly from the database. At this stage, while the documents are fetched based on their relevance, they may not yet be in perfect order of relevance, setting the stage for further refinement. This phase employs a more sophisticated algorithm designed to assess how closely each paragraph matches the user's specific question. Re-ranking acts much like organizing a stack of papers, ensuring the ones you need most are immediately accessible at the top. By evaluating the content's relevance in finer detail, this process effectively prioritizes the information, arranging the document to highlight the most relevant ones to the user's query first. With the documents now properly aligned, we move to guiding the large language model or the LLM to generate a response. We do this by providing the LLM with a question along with the information from the carefully selected paragraphs we've retrieved. The LLM, equipped with this contextually relevant data, then crafts an answer that is not only accurate but also finely tuned to the specifics of your company. This answer then is presented back to you through the digital assistant. But our journey doesn't end here. While RAG significantly enhances the accuracy of our answers, it's not without its limitations, especially when responses require further refinement based on specific criteria beyond mere employee association with your organization. Consider the nuances in absence policies that differ between managerial roles and regular employees, or the variation that span across different countries and multinational corporations. To address these complexities, we've integrated an additional layer into our document retrieval process. This is what we call the targeted document search. This advanced feature ensures that the answer you receive is also uniquely relevant to you, the inquirer. Here's how it unfolds. The system doesn't indiscriminately search the entire knowledge base for answers. Instead, it uses key identifiers about you, such as your location or department, to filter the search results. So if you're an employee in the UK asking about maternity policy, the system recognizes your region and retrieves only the most pertinent documents, bypassing those that apply to employees in other locations like the US. Let's test it. So I'm going to ask, am I eligible for maternity leave? And since I am registered as a UK employee, I will get a UK specific answer, as we can see here. Then I will ask the same question, but this time I'm impersonating a US-based employee, and I can see that the answer is completely different. This targeted approach doesn't just enhance efficiency, it fosters confidence in the system. Employees know that when they ask a question, the answer they receive is not just correct in a general sense, but specifically correct for them and their circumstances. This is the kind of user-centric technology that lies at the heart of what we do here at Ocomonics, ensuring that every interaction with our digital assistant is both meaningful and accurate. Thank you very much for listening for my presentation today, and I hope to see you next with more innovation here at Ocomonics.